I know anyone can think about coming from Apple right now as the Vision Pro, and believe me, I too can't stop talking about it. I did make a video about my experience with the Vision Pro, and that is coming soon. But today, I am talking about Apple's release of a new open source model that happened this past weekend. We're probably going to see a lot more of these as Apple prepares for some big AI announcements sometime later this year. Now remember, if you're new to the channel, my name is Ben Silverman, and I focus on making AI accessible for creatives, giving them the tools, allowing them to have superpowers. I created a platform called my AI Toolbox that acts like my second brain. It took me a year to create processes that I am now just giving to you. The result is what I update it with for the latest tools and news that come out in the AI space. You don't have to go down these rabbit holes because I will go down them for you. So let's talk about this groundbreaking development from Apple that's set to change the way we think about image editing. Apple has just unveiled MGIE, which is a revolutionary AI model designed for instruction-based image editing. Let's explore how this innovation is making complex editing tasks simpler and more intuitive than ever before. So what is MGIE? MGIE, or MLLM, guided image editing, is an open-sourced AI model that edits images based on natural language instructions. You tell it something and you speak in your natural language and it updates it how it hears it. Now, it was developed in collaboration with researchers from the University of California in Santa Barbara. MGIE leverages multi-model large language models, MLLMs, to understand user commands and execute pixel-level manipulations. Whether it's Photoshop style modifications, global photo optimization, or local editing, MGIE can handle it all. How does it work? Well, MGIE's magic lies in its use of MLLMs, which are adept at processing both text and images. If you look right here in their GitHub repository, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So if you look at this, you'll see that you enter a text prompt, just like in any of the other ones, and then you kind of see how it goes. You have an image that you're giving it as well with a text prompt, and you see right here that it's a forest, and then you see the cabin in the desert is surrounded by sand dunes and some vegetation, such as cacti or small shrubs in the summary, and it talks about the MLLM instruction. The sandy terrain and sparse vegetation would create a stark contrast to lush forest. So it's kind of saying, I understand what you're talking about, and then you input the instruction, and then from there it goes through its process and puts it in the goal image, which you can see right here. It's that house in a desert, right? So that is kind of what it is talking about. Now, this dual capability allows MGIE to perform two critical functions. Deriving expressive instructions, MGIE translates user input into clear, concise instructions like I just showed you for the editing process. For instance, if you say, make the sky more blue, MGIE understands to increase the saturation of the sky by 20%. It also generates visual imagination. MGIE creates latent representation of the desired edit, guiding the pixel level manipulation to achieve the user's vision. MGIE's versatility is pretty impressive, offering expressive instruction-based editing. MGIE's instructions enhance both the edit quality and the user experience. Now, with Photoshop style modifications, from cropping and resizing to more complex edits like changing backgrounds and object manipulation, it has global photo optimization, adjusting brightness, contrast, applying artists' effects, local editing, focusing on specific image regions or objects for detailed modifications. MGIE is accessible to everyone, right? As an open source project on GitHub, complete with the code, data, pre-trained models, and everything else you need to work with this. I'm going to put that in the link for you. And again, it's something that not everybody's going to really know how to use, but you can actually download this model, put it in a notebook, and actually start playing with it. right? You could use that notebook and an online web demo hosted on Hugging Face Spaces. And it showcases MGIE's capabilities for various editing tasks. Its design prioritizes ease of use, allowing users to provide natural language instructions, just speaking to it, for image edits. MGIE represents a significant leap in instruction-based image editing, a field that blends AI innovation with human creativity. It not only demonstrates the potential of MLLMs in enhancing image editing, but it also opens up newer avenues for cross-model interaction. For Apple, MGIE underscores the company's growing expertise in AI and machine learning, showcasing how AI can elevate the creative tasks that you're going to complete. It's more than just a technical marvel. It's a tool that empowers users to bring their creative visions to life with unprecedented ease and precision. And as we look forward to the evolution of multimodal AI systems, MGIE stands as a testament to the rapid progress in AI-assisted creativity. Now, I'm really excited to continue watching what Apple has in store for us in this space. With Vision Pro and Ferret, you can expect them to keep changing the game over and over again. And within their family of applications, you can expect them to integrate all of these pieces on their phone, on their laptops, in everywhere that you design, everywhere that you create. So this is going to be really interesting as Apple is going to step in the field where people like Midjourney and Google and Meta have been throwing things out there. This GitHub page that has the Apple code on it has not been used that much, and it has not been looked at that much. So you can expect a lot more to happen, and they're going under the radar. They're releasing these things, but they're not actually shouting it from the rooftop like everybody else. So I can't wait to see how it's integrated with all of their infrastructure. Keep watching. Please subscribe. I'm going to keep up on everything that Apple has to come.